How to edit and change web page URL settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First open your browser, and then once you're here all you need to do just scroll down until you find settings, and now scroll down again, and here we'll find the URL structure. Click on it and then scroll down, and here we'll find web page URL settings, and here you can manage web page URL format, and that's it. Select anything you want here. You can make it short or long, and you can customize it if you want, and that's it. And now just click save, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.